keep it with or without them.
What? You need to get M&M's.
Go do it again, Jacob.
No.
Get him. Get him.
No.
Wait, what aisle are you going down? Huh?
I found your little popping thing. It's in your pocket.
Who and who?
I just felt one.
Who's Mr. Mean?
Who you here with, your mom?
Mr. Mean.
She
Who's
said
that?
she's gonna come get us. We've been in here for like hours.
Who is that?
She could go get.
Yeah.
She could be going by a present for someone. She's gonna come back with a basket full of stuff.
What? Like
Every time I come
10,
here, Mom,
10 and
come
2
back with like 2
ones.
buggies. I'm like, oh my
Yeah.
god.
We're going by like.
Bye.
Yeah,
I'm videoing, by the way.
Go do it, Jacob.
we got some good crap.
What?
Me and Corey was sitting on his golf cart, and like, all of a sudden Haley calls him. She's like, "Oh Brad, I'm coming down the street. You coming to the mall with me?" So her whole family's in a car. He opens the car to the Suburban. Me and Corey yell, "Brad, what about LaQuisha?" And all of them looked. They were like, and he came back. He's like, "Y'all stupid. I'll kill you."
I'll kill him with my gun.
Go, Jacob.
I'll kill him with my gun. I got this on video. Go try to steal the chicken nuggets.
Do it. I think you should do it.
Yes.
I'll give you some.
Just go try.
No, what are you doing?
Go.
What are you doing?
Get the chicken nuggets. Look, Mom. Look at Mom.
It's about to die, like. Memory full.
Bye.